Welcome to the future of farming, where the Internet of Things in agriculture is transforming how we grow food. Today, we're diving into how IoT farming solutions are reshaping modern agriculture and making farms smarter and more efficient. Imagine being able to monitor soil health, control irrigation systems, and track livestock, all from your smartphone. With IoT farming solutions, this is already a reality. In this video, we'll explore how smart farming IoT is connecting farms like never before, helping farmers make smarter decisions and increasing efficiency across the board. What is IoT in agriculture? The Internet of Things, IoT, in agriculture is a network of connected devices that communicate with each other and with farmers, collecting and sharing real-time data to improve efficiency and productivity. Imagine being able to monitor your crops, livestock, and even weather conditions, all from a single dashboard on your smartphone or computer. That's the power of IoT in agriculture. Sensors in the soil can track moisture levels, temperature, and nutrient content, while drones and weather stations collect data on crop health and climate conditions. This data is sent to a central system, where it's analyzed and used to make data-driven decisions. For example, if soil moisture levels are low, the system can automatically trigger irrigation or send an alert to the farmer. This level of connectivity reduces waste, optimizes resource use, and helps farmers respond to potential issues before they escalate. Connected farming equipment and precision agriculture. One of the most significant applications of IoT is in connected farming equipment for precision agriculture. Tractors, sprayers, and harvesters equipped with IoT devices can communicate with GPS systems and soil sensors to carry out tasks with extreme accuracy. For example, a GPS-guided tractor can plant seeds in perfectly straight rows and apply fertilizers only where needed, reducing overlap and waste. Irrigation systems, powered by IoT data, can adjust water flow based on real-time soil moisture levels, ensuring crops get just the right amount of water. This precision not only saves time but also reduces resource consumption, making farming more sustainable. Imagine managing all of this without stepping foot on the field. Automated machines can be monitored and controlled from your phone, giving you the power to operate more efficiently and profitably. Drones and sensors in crop monitoring. Drones and ground-based sensors are game-changers when it comes to crop monitoring in modern farming. Drones equipped with multispectral cameras can fly over fields and provide a detailed view of crop health, identifying areas affected by pests, diseases, or nutrient deficiencies. Meanwhile, sensors embedded in the soil measure moisture levels, pH, and temperature, giving farmers instant feedback on field conditions. By combining data from drones and ground sensors, farmers can target specific areas of their fields for treatment, whether that's applying fertilizers or adjusting irrigation. This level of precision reduces the overall use of chemicals and water, promoting a more sustainable farming practice. It also allows farmers to address problems quickly, before they impact crop yields, ensuring healthier plants and better harvests. Livestock management with IoT. IoT isn't just transforming crop management, it's also making livestock management more efficient. Wearable sensors attached to animals can monitor their health in real time, tracking vital signs like temperature, heart rate, and movement. This data is sent to the farmer, who can quickly detect if an animal is sick or stressed, allowing for early intervention before illness spreads to the rest of the herd. GPS-enabled collars can also track the location of animals, helping farmers keep track of their livestock even across large pastures. Automated feeding systems powered by IoT can dispense the correct amount of food based on each animal's needs, ensuring healthier, more productive livestock. By using IoT farming solutions, farmers can reduce the time spent on manual labor and focus on optimizing animal health and welfare, leading to better productivity and profitability. We've seen how IoT farming solutions are transforming agriculture, but now we want to hear from you. What part of IoT do you think could make the biggest impact on your farm? Is it crop monitoring, smart irrigation, or maybe livestock tracking? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you're using IoT in agriculture to boost productivity. Thanks for watching. In our next video, we'll explore how artificial intelligence is being used alongside IoT to automate even more farming tasks. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from Advanced Agri Gears.